Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do this, you should open the notification panel, and here in the top bar you'll see the scan icon. If you have not here the scan icon, just click here on the right upper corner, tap to edit swatches, and here you will find the scan icon. It will be somewhere here. Just hold for a while this icon and drag it here to this subsection, tap to done, and you'll find here the scan icon. Just click here then, and now just point the camera at a code. Wait a second. And as can you see, we got here the message, click to allow. And you can see that our device successfully found this link of this QR code. Now just we can copy this or just link, or just click here, or now just copy, or just click to continue, and directly we can go here to the Wikipedia article. As can you see, that's what the example of the Wikipedia article, but also we just copy this link. We can share with this link with somewhere, or just to paste it here and just manually find this article. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.